Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Niña. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my February update for the rolling 5-pan that I'm doing with my girl Amanda. She is going to be linked down in my description box, and she's also going to be at the end of my video. She'll have a circle with her beautiful face in it. You can just click right in the middle of her nose and it will take you right to her channel. If you hear the insanity out there, it is because it is a snow day and my kids are going crazy. And yeah, so you'll probably hear them in the background. All right, let's get into my empties. I do have some empties since the last update. Yay, I'm happy about it. I'm so happy about it. I love empties. Empties make me happy. All right, the first one is, it's been in here forever. This is the Hair Omega Argan Oil Conditioner. I did enjoy this. I love the smell of it. It smells like a dreamsicle, but not girly girl approved, so I can't repurchase that one. I just finished this like yesterday. This is the Pure Body Naturals 100% natural nail polish remover. I did finally finish it. I have been going without glitter lately just so I can use this up. It takes a lot to take off your polish. It really takes a lot, and it takes some time. And I have only been doing like one coat of polish on my nails, and you know, I made it work. And I'm happy it's done. Good riddance. Yeah, I would never purchase that again. I like glitter too much. All right, the Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes. This is the pink one. Clearly you're looking at it, but I didn't like this. I know Amanda loves this one. I don't really like this one at all. I don't think it gives enough volume. It's just not enough. I feel like not enough product got onto the brush, and therefore not enough product got onto my lashes. I would have to do 2 or 3 coats and then it would flake on me. I just didn't like it. I like the other one that I'm working on much better now. That is the Twisted Volume. I definitely like this one a lot more. And I put it to the maximum, which is level 4. So you get like the most product on the brush at one time. It's pretty cool. I like that one. The other one that I'm so happy I'm finally done, this has been in forever, the Benefit What's Up. I did not dig this one out because I don't like cream products enough to really do that. But it was nice. It's just cream products on my face, just not my favorite. So I definitely wouldn't purchase that one. I think I got that in Sephora Play. All right, the only other thing I have left in is not finished. It was close, but not quite there. This is the Ulta Matte Setting Spray. I was at this red line, now I'm at this red line. This will be done by the next update. I am almost certain it will be probably done this month. All right, so I need to roll 4 new products in because I just finished 4 in the past month. 2 are makeup, 2 are not. The first one is for my hair. This is, I believe, this is from the L'Oreal Arctec line. It's the Arctec Texture Line material. It is pliable mattifying paste for your hair. I got a lot in there. It's 75 grams is what is in here currently, and I like it. If any of you have ever used like the Palmer's hairdress, it's kind of reminiscent of that, only not as greasy feeling. It is definitely a drier feel to it, but it is very similar to that kind of a hairdress. I also have the Equate Beauty Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. Love this. Just opened this one, thought I'd throw it in. I am at this red line right here. That will take a while to use. And the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Lots of words for a tiny little tube of primer. I am looking forward to using this. And yeah, there's that, my first makeup item. And my second is an eyeshadow. It is from my Depotted Profusion Eyes palette. It is just this teal color. I like it. I like this one a lot. I, however, am probably going to take it out of this pan since this one is aluminum. It won't stick in my magnetic palette. And yeah, it makes it harder to use if it's flopping around all the time. So I am going to repress this into either another pan or a palette that has an empty space in it. That is everything that I have finished for this past month, everything that I'm rolling in, and I'm excited. I'm excited to be adding new eyeshadow colors. I'm excited to try a new primer. It's going to be a good month. I can feel it. It's going to be a good month. All right, that is everything for this update. Definitely go check out Amanda's update. She is going to be linked down below, and she's going to have her picture at the end of my video here. Just click on it, go right to her channel, and see how she's doing with her rolling 5-pan project. Woo! Words. All right, let me wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.